So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to have a light theme here on ChatGPT. So as you can tell for right now, I actually do have a light theme here on ChatGPT. So what that basically means is that the background of your screen will be a light color. Now, if you want to change that into a dark background, or you already have it from a dark background and you want to change that into a light background or a light theme, it works the exact same way. Open up ChatGPT, go to the bottom left-hand side of your screen, hover over top of your username, press on that. Then go to where it says settings and beta, press on that. Then under general right here where it says theme, for me right now it actually is on system theme, but if you were to go ahead and press on this system right here, you can then change it to dark theme. And if it's on dark theme, you want to change it to light theme, press the exact same thing and then press on light. So fairly straightforward, but that's how you guys can have a light theme here on ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.